so you guys can see. So I traded the list that their list. So if you think that was a fair trade, put in the comments down below. I think it was a pretty fair trade, but I'm pretty sure they're trading right now. I'm not sure. Yeah, they are. Low. But yeah, I'm so happy and they're amazing. So just send them those Gemograms, say thank you for me and stuff because they're awesome and I hope you guys in the comments below if this is an under trade or over or fair. But I don't really care if it was over a trade. I like the trade. It wasn't really wearing my spikes, but I'm gonna wear these and I think it's really cool. So yeah.